Have you ever imagined the possibility of making plantain and AKARA and plantain moi moi with just one mixture? If you have, then in this video I'm going to be teaching you how to bring that imagination to reality. So first we're going to be using some very ripe plantain, like very ripe plantain, and then some maize flour. First we peel our plantain into a bowl and begin to mash them. We're going to mash this till it looks a bit smoother, and then we transfer it into a mixer. If you don't have a mixer, feel free, you can use a blender for this. Both works the same. You have to mix it till it becomes a lot smoother than it is before. When you're done mixing, you transfer it into a bowl. After transferring it to a bowl, you add some maize flour. The maize flour is to help the consistency. After adding the maize flour, you mix it together. Then we go in with some palm oil. After adding the palm oil, we're going to mix this till it's well combined. After mixing this together, begin to add some ingredients to bring up the taste. First, we are going to add some crayfish, add some black pepper, add some seasoning cubes and salt to taste, and then some chopped onions to give it that freshness. You can try to use bell pepper, but I'm adding the black pepper because of the taste it usually gives to the plantain. After adding all these things, then you combine it together. And if you discover your mixture is becoming too thick, you can go ahead and add some water to soften it a bit. After mixing it, this is the consistency you are going to have, and then you go ahead, wrap it in plantain leaf and cook. I already made a video on how to wrap moi moi with plantain leaf. I'm going to be either putting the link in the description box, or maybe check up here, you're going to see the link to it. And after wrapping them, you can go ahead to fry the rest. So this mixture gives you the opportunity, gives you the freedom to either fry or cook. So if you're lazy like me and you don't have the strength to fry, go ahead and cook. But if you like it fried, go ahead and fry. It's all good. This is going to come out from your oil neat. It's not going to leave any crumbs, and when you're done, this is what you have. Trust me, it tastes delicious. And the plantain moi moi, remember, you add water bit by bit. You don't add everything at once. If not, it's going to mix up together. I don't know how to say it, but it's what it is. So guys, this is what we have. This is what the moi moi looks like. Trust me, it tastes so good, like so good. If you're going to try this recipe, let me know. If this is your first time, please like and subscribe, and see you in my next video. Bye.